Located in the heart of Silicon Valley in Mountain View, California, SimpleSoft solutions help make the job of creating and managing today's complex networks simpler. With over 25 years of experience and a solid reputation with customers around the globe, SimpleSoft has grown to be the industry leader in network management, simulation, and testing. Management companies, network companies, and IT managers all benefit from SimpleSoft's solutions. Our innovative products include device simulators, automated agent testers, vulnerability probes, development tools, and network management tools. Together, they provide a complete solution to develop, test, simulate, and manage networks. SimpleSoft's industry-leading simulators, Simple Agent Pro, Simple Agent Enterprise, and Simple IoT Simulator can be used for many of your mission-critical projects. Customers leverage our simulators to perform scalability and functional testing, for parallel application and agent development, training, duplicating customer problems during technical support, creating realistic sales demos, and even pre-deployment and disaster recovery testing. Most of the leading network management vendors are already benefiting from SimpleSoft solutions. Instead of real physical networks made up of thousands of wired and wireless devices that are expensive, bulky, and energy consuming, using SimpleSoft solutions, you can simulate the network management aspects of thousands of devices on just one computer. SimpleSoft solutions provide great cost savings as well as energy savings. Many of the management protocols used by devices today are supported. Simulate SNMP, Telnet, CLI, SSH, Netconf, TFTP, FTP, TL1, NetFlow, SFlow, IPFix, IPMI, SOAP, REST, gRPC, HTTP, and HTTPS, and even IoT protocols like MQTT, CoAP, Modbus, BACnet, and LoRa. You can shorten development and testing time with our automated SNMP agent testers, vulnerability probes, and SNMP development tools. Leading network companies around the globe and industry consortiums like Cable Labs are already benefiting from our testing solutions. SimpleSoft's SNMP agent testers automate syntax testing, semantic testing, user-defined testing, and vulnerability testing to complete weeks' worth of manual testing in just minutes. SimpleTester is an industry-proven and easy-to-use application which helps ensure interoperability and quality so you can bring your product to market in a timely manner. SimpleSoft also helps you simplify your network management with our SNMP proxies, decoys, and IoT proxy solutions. IoT proxies enable legacy devices for IoT using protocol translation, while decoys create simulated honeypots for intrusion detection. Simple SNMP Proxy is a proxy tool that provides version translation and management visibility across firewalls. This allows SNMP v3 devices to be managed using v1, v2 management applications and controls resources in DMZ areas. View our video demos, tutorials, and white papers. Our solutions can be downloaded for a free trial, and our expert staff is available to answer any questions. To learn more about our other solutions, please visit www.simplesoft.com.